Good morning. Greystorm. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, Greystorm. Look at him. He looks cute too. Oh, look at Greystorm. Good morning, man. What is that? Do you know what it is? Kiss, kiss. He's ready to show off already. Look at him. Oh, Greystorm. Tell us what it is. Go on. Yeah, man. You ready for the show too? Greystorm. He loves me too. Give me a kiss, kiss. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wait is it? Mm-hmm. Oh, Grayson thinks it's cute too. Look at him. Mm. Look at him. He thinks it's bright like the light. Mm-hmm. Wait. Right there. Yeah, man. Show them what you bought, man. Show them what you bought, man. He's too cool, man. What is he? He knows what he's doing. He knows how he's doing. Let's do. Then he wants to go and sit on the porch and he thinks it's cool too. I said, today's my day. Greystorm. Where you gone, man? Well, where is it gone? Has gone somewhere? Love? Downside? Upside, maybe? Where? I want the kids kiss too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Which one? This one? He's ready to come out too? Look at him. He's gonna show off his stuff, you know. Give me. Don't do that. Don't act like you're far from no, but you know. Yeah, where does it go? Where does it go? Which one? I don't know why he goes up there to play those games. If he want kids, he could play the kids. Look at him. He's gonna break my hair too. That's enough of my hair. What about your hair? I'm trying to say your hair does look a mess, Mama said that. You can go get it done, you know. You come out the room, you're supposed to be fresh and ready. Nothing you do is ready, you know. Don't have fun with some bullshit now. This is my day. Ain't that okay, soon? What you want? This one? Right here, maybe? You don't know? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't do that. Mm-hmm. Don't tell me, give me your hair. What do you do? They said, what does that bird do? He doesn't even whistle yet, you know that? He said, my voice is not ready to sing. I think that's chapter 22. Give me food. Oops. I said, here you go. You're messing up. Get some. Come here. Is ready to talk to? Or is it not? Yeah. Come here. Which spot? You coming here? No, you're not. Come in. Gonna fight you, man. I'm gonna pet you like a pet. I'll pet you like pets. Yes, I am. I'll pet you right there. Don't tell me no. I'll pet you wherever I want to. Come here. Let's play with me, too. Don't duck your head. Let's get them weapons. Let's pet like pets. You pet like pets? I said, no, I really don't like to be a pet like pets, you know. That's not a good thing. But I let her pet me like a pet. Mm-hmm. Greystorm. Which one? Not the kiss kiss, though. That's when we're gonna make my pet you like a pet pet. Oh, it's fatting, too. Oh, yeah. It gets it. Then it doesn't, too. It knows. Yeah. Which one? Let me touch your head. Come here. I don't care. I'm gonna still pet you like a pet. Cause you didn't come out the cage yet. You's been a lazy asshole. And you know you're inconsiderate. It's going on 6 minutes. I thought it was 15. I thought I had to do everything for 15. Come here. Right here. Come on. I said right here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Don't come near me. And I can't come near you. Come here. Come here. I said, come here. I said, come here. Come here. Come here. You're gonna come here. Come here. Here, kiss, kiss. You know, come here. I come here. It doesn't. I met the kabata. Come here.